2 ways how to cheat on ProctorU Guardian browser. Today, we're diving into 2 popular methods used to cheat on the ProctorU Guardian browser. If you have an upcoming exam on ProctorU, this video will reveal the secrets to cheating without getting caught. There are many ways to cheat on online proctored exams, but we'll focus on the 2 most commonly used methods. One is the conventional method, and the other is a technical, highly secure, and undetectable method of cheating on the Guardian browser. Before we get into the details, let's understand how the ProctorU Guardian browser works. ProctorU is an online proctoring software used for various exams. In a ProctorU protected exam, the test taker must first download the Guardian browser and complete all verification steps, from uploading ID to taking selfies. Afterward, a human proctor connects with the test taker and runs various checks to ensure no prohibited apps, like remote software, are active. Once this step is complete, the proctor takes control of the test taker's cursor, checks everything manually, and launches the test. During the test, all activities are monitored via webcam. Now that we understand ProctorU's functionality, let's discuss the 2 commonly used cheating methods. Conventional method. This is an old but risky way of cheating. The test taker uses outside sources like a mobile phone or tiny notes. However, using a mobile phone during the exam can be risky, as the proctor might detect unusual movements and flag the test. While this method is easy, it comes with significant risks. Technical expert method. This method involves a tech expert who helps bypass ProctorU. A custom software is installed on the test taker's device, allowing the expert to see the test taker's screen and provide the right answers. This method is the most secure way of cheating on ProctorU because the custom software cannot be detected, making it appear as though the student is completing the exam independently. If you need help with your exam, fill out the help request form linked in the description.